Welcome back to Professor Spectrum. Today we're going to be doing an online walkthrough of Portable Spectral Services' new online store. We're really excited about this development as it enables our clients to be able to hire, purchase and book in many of our services, all in the comfort of our website. So let's begin. So a great thing that our online store offers is the ability to purchase accessories and CRMs and book in for services if you own your own XREF. So you can do this all through the online store. So we'll start with certified reference materials. So these are great if you want really good quality data and to be able to check that your instrument is performing at the best possible way without any contaminants. So these do say info, but if you click into them, and you can choose your CRM type from this drop-down menu. So let's say we want some laterite nickel standard. We have 5 in stock, so you can add this to your cart. And it will take you to the cart. You can see it just there. So then continuing, if we go into accessories and you decided that you needed new windows, for example, you can do that here. Add to the cart. And you can see we have 9 in stock, so you can change the stock levels here and add to the cart. And you'll see both of those are now in the cart. Services and repairs. So this is mainly for people who own their own XRFs and want to keep them maintained and functioning at the best possible point. So you can book in your batteries to be recalibrated. Book in your XRF for a condition report, compliance certificate, radiation profiling, and stability and drift. So the most common one is condition report because it literally reports on the condition of your instrument and how it is performing. So it's great to do once a year if you do own your own XRF. Similar to a car, it does need regular servicing. So you can add to the cart here. With services, once you have purchased them, one of our friendly staff members will be in contact to book it in or arrange a time for you to drop off your instrument. You can also add other things that you might have missed, such as screwdrivers, which are available in our accessories, and pop in any coupon codes. So to book in training, there are 2 ways you can access it, either over here on the banner under Online Store drop-down menu, or over here under Training. So we're just going to click on Training. They'll take you to slightly different pages, but they both have the same content on them. We at Portable Spectral Services offer a range of different courses, including the fundamental basic training on portable XRFs, FTIR, Raman, spectral training, tracer training. We also offer courses in specialized software such as ARDAX, EasyCal, and AMEX, which are linked to specific instruments. So for this demonstration, we'll book in for the most common training, which is radiation safety training in the use of portable XRFs. This is the most common as you need to complete this course if you would like to hire from us. Or if you have completed a similar course, you'll need a supplier certificate. So to book in, we just add this to cart. There is further information further down on that page if you'd like to know what is included in the course. Add the cart, you can see the product comes up here. If we have supplied you a coupon, this is where you can pop it in. Otherwise, you proceed to checkout. This is quite straightforward, and you put in all your details, and then you proceed. Once you have proceeded to pay for the training, one of our friendly staff members will be in contact with you to book you in for our next training day. If you are not located in Perth, that is fine because we offer online and in-person training. So we cater our trainings to suit you. Okay, so if you want to book in a hire, it's really simple. You just go to the online store, Instruments for Hire. If, for example, you clicked Online Store instead of Instruments for Hire, that's fine because you can come down here and click it just there in filters, and it will come up. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either click into it, which I'll show you first, or you can just do a quick add. So if you clicked in to the Brooker S1 Titan, it'll come up with this page. It shows you what sort of sample types are good for the instrument and further information down here. Pricing changes for how many days you are to hire it. So for this example, we'll book it in for a week. So say I wanted to book it in for this Thursday, and then I wanted to pick it up in a week's time. We can do that here. And you can select your pickup time from this menu. So I want to pick it up at 9 AM and I'll drop it in at 1 PM. Here, everyone who hires a portable XRF instrument, as it is regulated due to the X-rays it produces during analysis, everyone who hires from us needs to be trained. And not only that, they need to be able to prove that they've been trained. So this is why this next item is here. So training is required for this product. Have you been trained? If you have, just simply click yes, choose your license, or if this is not your first time hiring from us, you can click yes here. On the other hand, if you haven't been trained by us, this is a great chance for you to book in your radiation safety in the use of portable XRF. By completing this training course, you're eligible to hire from us and you'll be provided a certificate upon completion. So let's just say that we haven't been trained. So we've got the training added on here. So then the Inquire Now button is if you wanted to purchase rather than hire, but for now we just want to hire. So it's taken us to the cart. If you have a coupon, this is a great time to add your coupon, but we also suggest some other products such as your screwdriver or some sampling cups. So you can add those if that's what you need at the time. So let's proceed to checkout. And that's where you put in your details and you complete your order. So say for example, I wanted to use the quick selection and I wanted to hire out the Spectral Evolution SR 6500. So I just click add, put in my pickup date, let's do, and pickup time, click next, drop off date and time, and then we'll do a little summary and click next. Do you require training? Now for this instrument you don't have to have training, but if you did, we do offer that, and you can just turn that on so it comes into your subtotal, and then you click hire now, and it'll take you to the cart, or you can click off and access the cart over here. So if you wanted to hire a countertop CTX and you were finding an error, this generally means that the instrument is probably not available for those dates. We do try to keep a large fleet, but sometimes they're just not available and they're fully booked out. If you do get something like this, sorry, no quantity is not available, this just means that you need to change your dates a little bit as the instrument is booked out. So if we did it a little bit later than what we had, and you put in the dates, there we go. So it's now available. So that's it. I hope this was very helpful in how to use our online store, and please feel free to reach out if you have any issues. But if you want to hire, you want to purchase services or products, go ahead and dive in. It's a great online platform and we hope you have fun doing it. If you really liked this video, please like and subscribe to Professor Spectrum for more tutorials similar to this.